reminds me of home, where I was born.
I guess.
Yeah.
I like it when it rains at night, and then it's nice during the day.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm sure every farmer wishes that happened every fucking time.
Right? I haven't heard this song in so long, Nick.
I'm going A.
Going A. Alright, I'm with you, bro. I haven't played this shit in a while.
Oh man. Now every time I listen to this song, I'm gonna think about that fucking rat being dragged into the water.
Bang, bang, And I am fully loaded.
So I got 42 seconds on my torpedoes.
I am a menace with this thing. This is probably my best ship. 14.1 kilometer range. Let's do it.
I only have a 10.12.
I'm a beast with this thing.
But there's one thing I do like about this shit though is it has 10-kilometer torpedoes.
Yeah, there's somebody in A. A little delayed. I'm a little drunk at this point.
Yeah.
I think I've had four rum and Dr. Peppers. Which is half the bottle, which is impressive. Oh, that's a Miyogi. Mmm.
And in New York.
There he is. You gonna fire the destroyer or should I?
I got the destroyer. You work on those battleships, bro.
How the hell can he fire? Oh, jab. That's why. There you go.
Careful, there's a destroyer up there too as well.
It's okay. I think I just fired a full salvo. And I hit him twice. 1660. Not bad. Yeah, there's a destroyer right there. Shit, I'm turning hard.
I'm coming, Nick. I'm coming.
No, it's fine, dude. I'm not scared of these guys. They're focusing on this destroyer right here.
I know that Minikaze's got good torpedoes. He's got 7-kilometer torpedoes.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh god. I'm gonna eat some. I'm gonna eat some. Yeah, I ate a lot. Fucking motherfucker.
He's gonna be reloaded soon too.
Thank you.
Enemy destroyer sunk.
gonna retreat for a little bit.
Yeah, go ahead and heal up.
Our team is taking the lead.
I'm fixing to take out that New York, I think. Yeah, I got the New York.
Holy shit! I just hit ult, and then I saw all of his health disappear.
Yeah, no, I fucking melted him, dude. The Iwaki, dude, if everybody will just leave you the fuck alone, is a great ship.
They all focus me, so you're good. This
Ouch.
usually never happens in this thing. I'm coming back. Fuck it. I'm some balls to the wall here. Fuck this shit.
Balls the wall.
That Svetlana needs to be deleted because it's communist.
Yeah, I'm working on him right now, dude. Okay, so HE is definitely the thing I need to be firing in this.
Maybe I get lucky and hit him. Oh, maybe. Oh. Yeah, nope.
There goes that cruiser. And a destroyer. Holy shit, you lucky cunt.
Reloading, 4 seconds.
I could really use him. That dude really fucking hurts.
It's alright. I think he's gonna eat these ones. Yeah, he's definitely gonna eat some of those. Yep, bye-bye.
Holy
Suck my dick.
shit, Nick.
Get deleted, fucker.
Okay, I've got this Miyogi.
I'm drunk as fuck, so that's glorious
Yeah.
right there.
I'm not there yet, but I am definitely on my way.
Yeah, I think having Chrome open while doing anything, computers don't really like it that much.
No,
My
it's
desktop-
it's way too much of a resource hog, dude.
Yeah, like I heard my computer like glitch out one or two, like it was about to blue screen, like the little brrr noise when the audio gets all fucked
Yeah.
up. Yeah, it keeps doing that, so I had to close
Main
Chrome.
turret critically damaged.
Go ahead, show me
Who
that
did I
fucking
destroy?
broadside.
Was that the Russian bullshit or
Yeah,
what?
it was a Svetlana.
Yeah, good. Suck my American dick, you fucking fucker. He's way out of my range.
Our victory is in sight.
2 kilometers more. Hang on, I got you covered. 9 seconds till my T is up ready.
I got him.
You sure?
Yeah.
Doesn't look like it. Looks like he's still alive to me. Let me get him.
Get him.
Come on, ship. I think that might hit him. I'm not sure.
God damn, that was a hard hit.
Yep,
Critical engine
I hit him
damage.
once, twice.
I gotta kill him, Mick. He's hurting me. Oh, never mind. I'm dead.
No, I got him.
I got
He's there.
Citadelled.
That last salvo. Oh, he's dead.
I should have killed him. I would have been still alive. Oh well, it's fine. I don't give a shit.
Why can't I use T? I'm pressing it, it's not working.
Is it on cooldown? Do you have
It's off cooldown.
Okay, do you have a little gray bar above your health?
I don't know.
Okay, well, you see how your health's yellow, right?
Yeah.
Do you have a gray bar above that?
No.
Oh, then you can't heal up anymore. That means it was like a, you've already healed all you can actually heal.
It's retarded.
Yeah, if you take really bad, like, citadel damage and shit like that, you can't repair that. But if it's like fire damage and flooding damage, well, it's fire damage, you can repair that, and flooding damage, you can just pump the water out. That's where they get the idea for the healing effect from. You'll never make it down there in time for this game, dude.
I don't care. I deleted somebody out. I'm good.
That's what I'm
Guys,
saying. Yeah, I gotta say, this game's pretty much over for us.
Was he talking about, hey camper, wanna play? Who's he
I
talking
have
to?
no clue.
That's me, I'm the camper. Oh man, I made a lot of food.
What'd
Badass.
you do?
I kind of made breakfast for myself.
You can do that?
There ain't no one here to stop me.
Sweet, I got Kirishima.
Solid.